Sorry guys, in a bit of a hurry. That was it. I was meant to be doing a video, but what kind of workout can you do when you're in a massive hurry? You haven't got time to go to the gym, you don't want to go to the gym. What is an item or an implement that you can use at home? Perfect, the stairs. Welcome, unless you live in a bungalow of course, but if you do, sorry about that. Welcome to my house. This is Mikasa El Chiang Mai. Today I'm just going to show you a quick full body exercise routine. It's going to work your thighs, your quads, your calves. It's going to work your core, and it's going to do some upper body. And you can get this done real quick, and it's going to really get your cardio going, burn some fat and make you lean. Okay, so here we go, let's go.
Kick this stairs hit off with a sit squat. Standing on the bottom step with your heels to the wall of the bottom step. Lower your bum to touch the second step. Repeat this 20 times. Next we're going to do some calf raises. Stand on the bottom step with your toes at the end of the step raised over. Just lower your heel towards the ground and go up. Do this as many times as you can until it burns so much that you have to stop. I managed about 40. Next up, the explosive hop squat. Basically just hopping up onto the step and squatting on your way back down. Depending on your fitness and agility, either go for the third, the second or the first step if you're a beginner. The one-legged squat. Place your right foot over in the corner of the right step and just sit back on your left ankle. Do 10 and then switch legs. Next up, the wide arm press up. Style your legs and your arms as far wide as the stairwell will allow, and just push down until your chest touches the step and push back up. Do this 20 times. Bring your triceps into the session. We're going to do some dips on the stairs. Just lay back with your arms close together, sort of hip whip, and just push back until your bum touches the step and thrust forward. Making sure you keep your abs nicely contracted. Shoulder press time. Get into a wheelbarrow position on the stairs. Be careful as you get in this position. It's a bit awkward and tricky, but once you're there, it's a great workout for working those shoulders and those traps. Always make sure you've got water handy whenever you're working out. So important to keep hydrated. Push-ups on the stairs with closed arms close together, so your hands are nearly touching on the stairs. This is going to bring your pectorals into the game. Finish the set off with some sprint climbs up and down the stairs. This is going to get your heart rate pumping, it's going to make you sweat, this is going to burn some serious fat. Get up and down the stairs as many times as you can, but please do be careful as you're sprinting up and down.
You can see, super out of breath. My heart's really going. I'm sweating. That's hard work. It's real cardio hard work. My legs were starting to burn, and that was just 10 up and down. It's a really, really good fat burning cardio, muscle toning exercise. Don't get sucked into thinking you need a gym, fancy equipment, supplements, etc. Really, that's as good as any workout. It's free, it's in your house. You can start now. So what are you waiting for?